heading to the ice skating rink. So we're taking our girls there to do ice skating and probably my husband too. And it's a rainy Sunday here, guys. Grabe ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Tingnan nyo. We're here inside the ice skate ring, guys.
I do this.
Yeah. Ayan. So kahit Sunday ngayon, guys, walang masyadong tao. Nga, ang lakas ng ulan dito ngayon sa Cedar City. So yung mga tao hindi lumabas at pumunta dito sa ice skating ring. Kaya swerte namin ngayon kahit Sunday. Ayan. At this time, si George nag-decide din siya mag-ice skate. Ayan. Marunong pala siya kahit walang walker. Kasi comfy daw yung shoes niya nakuha ngayon. Hockey shoes ang kinuha niya. George is doing this time. He's wearing the ice hockey shoes. Comfy in the shoes. You're okay?
Yes.
Okay.
I tried.
Good job. Yana, follow daddy. Mayroon siya ankle support. Mas comfy siya dyan. Okay, now go back over there, the three of you. The three of you, yeah, go straight, go Pat. Go behind daddy. Talo ako nito. Talagang marunong pala talaga si George. Sabi naman niya na talagang naka-ice skating sila ng mga bata sila. Come on! Yay, Pat Pat! You did it! Come on. Tapos na kami doon, guys. Dito na kami sa labas sa truck. Okay. So, pizza. Thank you. You want, oh, they want margarita. This is Polo Rustico. Chicken. My chicken. And white garlic pizza and margarita. Pizza. Tapos na kami na kumain ng pizza, guys. Pauwi na kami pero nag-gas up na si asawa.